Okay, now for the second problem. Okay, it says I have a right triangle. So I draw a little right triangle where, let's just say, that is x degrees. It says the sine of x is equal to 4 over 5. Now if we go back to geometry, we remember this is sine. We have the opposite over the hypotenuse. So 4 is equal to our opposite, and 5 is equal to our hypotenuse. So, oh, that's supposed to be h. So, our opposite is 4, and our hypotenuse is 5. If you then do, what's it called? Pythagorean theorem, this side should be 3. So, going back to the problem, it says, what is the cosine of 90 minus x? Now, if you think about it, the 3 angles in a triangle, I'll just call this y for now. The 3 triangles in the 3 angles in a triangle equal 180. So if this is 90, that's x, and that's y, that's going to equal 180. So, if it is asking for 90 minus x, or if we subtract 90 and x on both sides, we get y is equal to 90 minus x. So really, although they're saying 90 minus x, what they really want is the cosine of y. Now, if you don't want to think about all of this over here, what you can essentially say is if there's 3 equal parts, and these 2 parts equal this 1 part, and they want the big part minus 1 part, that's just going to be the other part. I hope that makes sense. So, going back to the problem, the cosine of y, so if we go back to cosine, it's adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is equal to, now we're going off of y because they want the cosine of y. So the adjacent is 4, and the hypotenuse is 5. Okay, that's about it for this problem.